What's going on there, guys, and welcome back to Finance Ninja. Nowadays, mostly anyone who's been on the internet long enough knows that it's an exceptional place to make money. However, not many people are willing to put in the work, but fortunately, we have some good news for such people, as we'll be taking a look at a stupidly lazy $400 per hour method for beginners to make money online in 2022. So without any further ado, let's get right down to it. Number 7. Set up a website. The very first step of this positively lazy method to make a whole lot of money online is to go to a website called Google Site. After this, what you need to do is to open up a completely blank Google site. If you're raising your eyebrows right now, then no need to worry, as you won't be required to do any kind of coding or pay money out of your pocket or any kind of stuff like that. Then, you need to set up a title for your site, for which you'll have many customization options. Once you're done, go to Google again and search for a top something list which has something to do with money. For example, top 10 ways to save money or top 10 ways to earn money, etc. When you find an article which you think passes this criteria, what you're gonna do is use points from that article for the Google site that you just made. If there are too many points in the article you want to use, then you don't necessarily have to use every single point, as about 5 would be fine. After you're done picking your points out, copy and paste them under the box which is under the title of your Google site, but make sure to make moderate changes to some of the points so you don't get into trouble for plagiarism. We'd also recommend you to change the font and the background, as well as adding attractive effects. Number 6. CPA lead. Once you're done with having an entire list under the title of your Google site, head on over to CPA Lead, which in a nutshell is a real-time bidding SSP and DSP marketplace that connects advertisers of mobile application with mobile traffic. In CPA Lead, there are more than 1,000 leads for people, including yourself, to promote, and if you're thinking that doing that must be complicated, then well, you're wrong, as promoting most of these offers would require people to enter nothing more than their email address in order to become a qualified lead, which would then earn you money. Now you may be scratching your head and thinking, how in the world would you be earning money? Well, that's simple. Whenever someone enters their email address to become a lead, you're going to be paid for it. The cool part is that for you to make money from this, the people who submit their emails don't even have to pay for anything or buy anything. Number 5. How to work it. Make an account on CPA Lead either through Google or by your own email address, pick a security question and answer of your choice, and you're good to go as an affiliate marketer on the website. Log into your brand new account, which is of course the place from where you'll be able to keep track of the money that you're going to be earning every day. You'll see various offers on CPA Lead, which will be in the range of $1 or $2 for each email you shall collect. One cool thing about this is that you may also be able to earn money through cash rewards on CPA Lead. Number 4. CPA Grip. If CPA Lead has left you unsatisfied, then no need to worry, as you can just move on to the next platform we're about to discuss, CPA Grip, which is pretty similar to CPA Lead. In order to make money off of CPA Grip, what you're gonna have to do is sign up again just as you did on CPA Lead and wait for people who are looking to win prizes to enter their emails. You'll also be able to see how much money other people have made from the site, after which we bet your eyes will straight up turn into dollar signs. Now let's look at how you can get started on CPA Grip. Go to Offer Tools and then My Offers and change the country to the United States, even if you're not a citizen, as you don't have to necessarily be from there to make money. However, the people who you do make money off of have to. For instance, someone might enter their email so they get a chance to win a $500 gift card, while you, on the other hand, will get $1 to $3 for their email address. It's really that simple. Number 3. Don't forget your site. Some of you might be thinking that just getting $1 or $3 per email is not worth all the drag that comes with it. You better hold your horses, as this is where the site you created comes in handy. Copy the link of your CPA Lead or CPA Grip offer and paste it under the article of your website, which is about money and how to earn it, or you can even paste it in the middle of the article with a heading of whatever the offer is. For example, it could be something like win a $1,000 PayPal gift card. If you look at it logically, The individual who's reading your article is probably looking to get their hands on some money, so when they see the link you posted under your article, which could potentially give them a chance to make some money, they'll obviously be tempted to click on the link and enter their email for free, which would in return earn you some money. You can also write something above the link like "click to claim right now," so the person reading is even more inclined to do so. Do make sure that the title of the offer you're going to post in your article stands out in one way or the other. You could make the text bold, a different color, or even larger in size than the rest of the article so that people who are reading your article don't just simply scroll past it. You could also paste the link in more than one place in your article, like first, you could post it right after the start, and then in the middle, and finally at the end. It won't even matter to you whether the person who's clicked on your link and put in their email address have won the giveaway or not. Obviously, one person is bound to win, but even the people who have put in their email address and have not won won't negatively impact how much money you make off of them putting in their email address, as you're going to make money out of them doing that regardless. Number 2, publish your site. Once you've done everything we've instructed you to do so far, what you're going to have to do now is finally publish your site on the World Wide Web itself. Give it some kind of address. Making the address unique is not really all that important, even a simple but relevant one would do just fine. Then click on Publish, and you're going to receive the link of your website, which would be present for people from all around the world to view, but do keep in mind that you'll only gain profit if the people who are viewing your site or article and have entered their email in the link of your offer are from the United States. Number 1, the final step. The final step to this lazy method to earn money is for you to put the link of your site on a platform which is being visited by a large amount of people and doesn't have that much of a competition like the platform similar to Facebook called MeWe. Sign up to MeWe and join a group the interest of which is attraction or capital and post your site on there. Try not to come across as a salesman or as a spammer, but rather as a normal person who's curious about helping others and themselves with regards to earning or attracting some money so that you don't get a bad rep. And you're done. And this about wraps up our video. Do be sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, as well as press that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming content. Until next time guys, take care and goodbye.